Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a JBL GO 2 second generation wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this speaker is not working properly, whether it's not responding or it's not connecting to your phone or it's not pairing with Bluetooth. Any kind of issues like this can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now if you can't get your speaker fixed or you decide you just want to buy a new one, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a speaker that I have and that I like a lot. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete all the pairing history off of here and all the settings so that you can set this speaker up basically like it's new coming out of the box. We can do that really simply. All we need to do is first of all make sure that our speaker is turned on, and then once our speaker is turned on, we're just going to come in and we're going to find the Bluetooth button here and the volume up button here, and just press and hold these two buttons for 10 seconds. And after 10 seconds, the speaker will turn off and then automatically reboot back into its factory default settings, at which point you can set it up like it's basically a brand new speaker.